Good afternoon, all. DAYTRADING coming to you this Thursday. Thursday. No, it's not Thursday. Wednesday afternoon, November 24th. We're looking at Window Traders market profile of SPY, IWM, triple Qs. First and foremost, I'd like to wish everybody that subscribes to this channel and listens to these videos a very happy, healthy, safe Thanksgiving to you and your families. Thanks again for subscribing and liking these videos. I'll probably do a video Friday morning. I'm not sure if I'm working Friday, and then I'll probably do a video Sunday to recap the entire week and the charts for all of these indices. As far as today, we spoke earlier this morning. We said in the video this market was had gotten pretty short, right? Some pretty big price action, erratic price action. Market gets too long, short, back and forth. Well, below E's low from Monday, this market was still short, right? Today, we opened below E's high from yesterday, right? Where you could say change took place, even though some shorts covered here, KL and M. This is where we opened down here. So whoever was still short was still comfortable. But what happened? Once B took out A's high, got above that E high again from yesterday, we took off. And I think we got nothing. Look, we're all P shapes. P shape, P shape, P shape. All short covering. However, they are trend days. They're double distribution days in Russell and Qs. They have single prints. Qs have small in B. Russell have B. SPY actually has 1 penny in B. So I'm using it. I know ES doesn't have any. We all go out with price probes to the upside. SPY gets E's low from Monday, which was basically the last line in the sand for the sellers, but didn't really get much acceptance above it. So everything's still on the table as far as Friday goes. We're in balance. We're back in balance on the daily. Do we have an outside week up or an outside week down on Friday? It remains to be seen. I'm going to say probably not. And we close inside of last week's range, and then we'll see what happens going forward. But I can tell you, if this is all the sellers have, these last couple of pushes down, then I wouldn't doubt we start making new highs again in the month of December. I had a good day today, and I played small. I took a short in A period. The first time we got up to POC. I said we're going to be very visual today. Boy, were we visual. We got up to POC, stopped, got down to value low, stopped. Excuse me. So I took a 469 put. The first time we got up there, came back down, took it off above the opening. I took a long against value low. So it was 469 puts, 464 calls. Both of those worked out. Then in B period, I didn't take it when we popped, but when we came back in, started a small one, came all the way in, and took a nice 50 lot right below half back at the time, and went right back up, which turned out to be my best trade of the day. Took a small short in D. Because we filled B's singles, when we popped C's high and started going a little bit, I took a small short because there was no tempo. However, it started going. I took it off for a small loss. And then in J period, a bunch of times, I was looking for a nice big long play. Now, we're in 5-tick increments, plus we went higher. Half back and value low were lower than where J was. I did take a small long in J twice, but I was looking, if we had gotten down to half back and value low at the time, I was ready to take a minimum of a 50 call play or 100 call play. I did the 466s on those, but it never got there, never took the size, and that's it. And then I didn't do anything the rest of the day. We never got 9 wide. We only end 8. The other ones end 11 and 9 wide. But we do have a nice afternoon pullback low and a price probe. As far as destinations, so for the upside, there's only 3 destinations now. 469.57, today's high. 472.40, afternoon rally high from Monday. And 473.54, the all-time high from Monday. For the downside, I'm going to use L's high. We price probed. 469.46. Now, I'm not writing down the 8 wide POC, but I won't ignore it Monday. But going forward, if we don't hit it for a week or so, then I won't have it. Afternoon pullback low, 467.31, J's low. 1 penny of single prints, 466.70. Today's low, 465.19, and 464.45 daily low. And then quickly on the chart, again, Sunday I'll recap all of these at some point. So the monthly is very healthy for SPY. It's up. The weekly's balanced. It's a 3-week balance. The question is on Friday. Remember, the market closes at 1 o'clock Friday. I don't expect much. But if we close above 470.94, it would be an outside week up. If we close below 466.23, it would be an outside week down. I think the sellers had their chance, but we'll see. So balance for the weekly, and the daily is now in balance. Again, we bounced off the 20-day moving average. And in fact, I didn't even realize it when I took my big call play in B when we came down. It was basically right at that level. But I didn't realize it. I was doing it against half back at the time. But 2 days in a row, we bounced off it very nicely. 3-day balance, 2-day balance, whatever you want to call it. Right? So, but the market's in balance on the daily for now. I hope you had a good day trading. Again, happy Thanksgiving to you and your families. Enjoy, stay safe, and we'll speak probably prior to the opening on Friday. I'll probably just do a video. Have a great night, y'all.